and welcome everyone to another episode of Fey Fitness. Today I'm going to show you a great stretch to work your shoulders and trapezius muscles if you have a desk job and find yourself just getting tight and tension in your upper body at the end of the day. So if you'd like to learn how to do a W stretch, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. I thought I would go ahead and do a video that's more of a stretch as opposed to an actual exercise, just because I've had a few clients lately who have desk jobs and they come in with really tight shoulders and this trapezius muscle that goes down the neck and along the top of the shoulder area here is just really tight for them. And that completely makes sense. Most people, when you're sitting at a computer, you're reaching forward, and so the shoulder is actually rolled forward most of the day as opposed to being in a nice straight back posture. Completely fine. I just wanted to show you a great stretch to kind of loosen that up and get more mobility and range of motion, which will eventually lead to functionality out of your shoulder joint. And this is called a W. So don't worry if you have trouble with this at first. Like I said, a lot of the clients that I work with that have desk jobs really kind of struggle with this at first, but it's something you can do every day, whether you need a 5-minute break at your desk or after you've brushed your teeth in the morning, and it'll just help open up the shoulders a little bit more. So to do this exercise, we're going to start out with our shoulders back and our shoulder blades kind of nice and tucked in flat along our back here. So that's what it will look like. That's our starting position. And then we just want to bend the hands backwards at the elbow. So you'll notice if your shoulders are tight, you may bounce the arms a little bit or the whole arm will go back. We actually want from the elbow to the shoulder to stay stationary as much as humanly possible and just bend from the elbow to the fingertips backwards. So I'll do this a couple times so you can see what it looks like. And it's okay if you don't have a lot of range of motion, or if, say, one arm is more flexible than the other. That's completely fine. And here's what it'll look like from the side. So again, we have our nice straight posture, bend back, back, back. And that is the exercise. You can do this a couple times a day, every day, to increase the mobility, or if you've just found that you're just really tight, maybe you had a stressful conference call and you've noticed your shoulders are coming forward and up, that's a pretty good indicator that you're tensing these muscles, and just that'll help open them up a little bit again, give you some more range of motion, and hopefully help with the functionality of the shoulders. One of the byproducts I notice I have a client who has had a desk job for many, many years. His shoulders are forward and hunched, so that when he raises his head, his arm above his head, the arm doesn't actually come straight up, it goes out. And that's just because his shoulder joint is so tight. So this will really help open that up and prevent that from happening, so that when you lift your arm over your head, it's actually able to get straight up and down along your body cavity. So if you have any questions, please leave those in the comments down below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you next week for another Fey Fitness video. So until then, bye guys! Thank you so much for watching the video today, everyone. If you're new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all my fresh new content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your continued support by watching my videos and interacting with me in the comments. I really do appreciate it. If you're not through watching yet, feel free to click on the video over here to watch another great fitness video. And as always, if you have questions, please let me know. Until next time, bye guys!
Hello, Natsu. How are you doing today? Did you help Mommy film by being nice and quiet? Yes, you were such a good help. Such a good girl. This is my little baby. She's so cute. Look how cute and soft she is.